All right, so we're in downtown Hamilton, Ohio right now, and I'm hearing a train coming. It's got 298 axles. It's running southbound. I believe it's going to be a Norfolk Southern train. It's going to be on track 2. That'll be the track on the right-hand side. It is a Norfolk Southern. There it comes. So it's going to be on the other track. Now, this direction, I'm hearing a train coming from that direction, a Norfolk Southern train also. So we got trains coming in both directions, and I'm like right in between them. Let's see what happens here, son. It's going to be good. This one. This one's going to veer off onto their own line, right where I'm standing. I'm at the interchange, so it's going to veer off. We got 2 mixed freights, 2 Norfolk Southern trains on CSX track. How you like that? The train on the left is getting onto their own track. Newcastle sub. Passing. There you go. That's pretty cool. I'm hearing train horns all over the place right now. I mean, it sounds like 3 trains, but I don't think that there's 3. It's possible because you've got the Indy sub. It's about a 1/4 mile to my right. So it is possible. Ethanol. Oh, there's the end of that one. it got windy. DPU, I see you. Wow, that's a tight curve. That Norfolk Southern train is back on their home rails. Just left the CSX line. Most of the trains on the line that they're on right there are running southbound, which would be actually, let me think about this, east, considered east, railroad east for Norfolk Southern, but geographically south. All right, there you go. Got lucky on that one. That was pretty cool. Got blessed with that. 2 trains passing right next to this flange greaser right there. Look at there. Don't let your dogs out here. There you go. Hold on a minute. We got another birthday announcement. Brady and Kyler Tower. It's their birthday this month. So happy birthday. Thanks for watching my videos. And I'm glad you enjoyed the train. So happy birthday to Brady and Kyler Tower. Ain't that right, Jessie? The live action pet right there. Don't know where she's going. All right, thanks for watching.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah, there always is. There you go. You heard it first here. There's always more. And the Central Railroad of New Jersey Heritage engine is going to be on the back of this train. It's going to be a DPU on this. So I'm looking forward to seeing it going around this curve. It's going to come from the left over here, run from these houses. Then you're going to see it go around this curve right here. This will be really neat. That sharp curve where it goes from CSX on to Norfolk Southern. So it should be here any time now. All right, here we go. Train number 123. Gonna have the Central Railroad, New Jersey as a DPU on the back. 350 axles. They just called out the signal on here. I'm gonna watch them go around the curve. Oh, that was a good one. comes some boxcars. 350 axles, so it's going to have 80 something cars. Had to do the math. DPU, I see you. It's gonna be a good one. Wow, listen to that. Working hard. That was a good one. All right, there you go. Man, that was a good one. I got blessed there too. And this car stopped. They let me walk across and film that. That was pretty good. Everything worked out. The plan came to fruition there. Thanks for watching, everyone, up here in Hamilton, Ohio. That was really cool. All right, here we go. We got a caboose. All right, got the caboose. About 7 cars. Hey, those look brand new. Check it out. Brand new refrigerated box cars. Wow, check that out. I got blessed with that one. Got the caboose on there. He's blowing that little whistle on the back, and brand new refrigerated boxcars. That was pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was really a good catch right there. But wait, there's more. Hey, I'm on the way home and I stopped near Fairfield, Ohio, just south of Hamilton. And I'm seeing a clear signal here on this Norfolk Southern line. This is the Dayton district. Runs from Cincinnati to Dayton. So it's gonna be a train. I'm just now picking up on my scanner too. That was the end-of-train device. So we come from that way right there. So let's have a look around here and let's see the train. Here we go. This will be pretty cool. There's a sign right there. What's that say? Keep out property of Hamilton. So yeah, we're just outside of Hamilton. Gonna have a train coming from that direction. This is luck. DPU, I see you. Working hard. All right, that was pretty cool. Got lucky to catch that one. Extra train for today. Wasn't planning on that. And over there, there's the big bog land that needs explored. That needs explored. This is a big bog just south of Hamilton. Across the road, the property says property of Hamilton. So this is close to Hamilton. And it's a big bog. It looks like you're in Florida. You can see an alligator come out here at any time. Huge wasteland right here. It's good for wildlife though. A lot of birds. You got that blue heron out there looking for frogs. So there's gonna be all kinds of wildlife in this area. Red-winged blackbirds and whatever else. Cattails out here. I hear something. It's pretty cool, just outside of Hamilton, Ohio. Right next to railroad tracks. All right, everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Hey, if you got time, check out another one, because every view helps my channel, helps pay for that gas. And we'll see what else we can get into. Next video, who knows where we're going to be. But I'm trying to get all new places this year. All right, we'll see you later. The live action pets, there they are. Just get back from seeing some trains, and we got some dogs over here. Hi, Loki. Loki! He got worn out. All right, so keep the camera going.